Very nice.
She's the youngest baker I've ever known.
Oh, lovely. Wow. Fantastic. Two nice achievers. Wonderful achievers amongst us. We're already achievers also. Let's all do it together. Come on.
Come, Daddy.
All of us. And he's doing it together. Come on. Okay.
Ma'am, सामने सामने.
धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. Om Shanti Shanti. Thank you, Ruchi. Okay. Come. Very nice. Very nice. All my gifting is done by her. All.
हो गया आपकी ठीक है
Really nice. On Instagram?
Oh yes.
Oh, she
You
has
should
a
see.
huge
You know, and she
got it.
They reinvented
अरे ओ
themselves.
भैया एसी करवा
Very
दो
nice.
प्लीज ऑन एसी को बंद कर दो
It's also nice of you. Nice. Which one? मैंने लिए थे आपसे.
आपने बंद कर मेरा है हमें बताइए आज एग्जीबिशन के बारे में.
Jaydeva, welcome to Noor. I'm really delighted to be here as always. I must congratulate Ruchi and Tanu and Raman as well. Or everybody who's been involved in the process of making Noor a must in my calendar. It is something, just the name Noor, just the fact that she has these exhibitions for so many years now, I make it a point to put this in my calendar. No matter where I am in the world, I come back for this. And because I find that, Ruchi, I must congratulate you and Tanu for actually doing this very, very consistently over the couple of years that I've been coming to inaugurate your show. And what I find is that you have managed to actually create something that I refer to as a fashion tourism industry, you know. And having exhibitions and bazaars like this is not just about exhibiting a product and showcasing it and selling it. It's actually creating a hub. And you know, Jammu is now fast becoming a center for trade. It has always been a center for trade, but our fashion industry is taking a very, very, very strong space in the business.
A lot of new people have started
A lot of
exploring.
people, you know, the beauty is not only that. When I say fashion tourism, what I mean by fashion tourism is when you get people from outside. जब बाहर से आते हैं लोग जम्मू में, तो आप जम्मू शहर दिखा रहे हैं उनको हमारे मेहमान नवाजी, हमारा खान पीन, हमारे कल्चर, हमारे जम्मू people are also getting a chance to exhibit with those across the the country. And उनको भी मौका मिलता है कि बाहर की क्वालिटी क्या होती है, प्राइस पॉइंट्स क्या होती है, कलेक्शंस क्या होती है. And it's wonderful to play host. कभी कभी इट्स वेरी गुड टू प्ले होस्ट टू पीपल फ्रॉम आउटसाइड बिकॉज जम्मू की खासियत ये है कि हमारी जो मेहमान नवाजी है वो तो आई डोंट थिंक कहीं पे भी मिलेगी आपको. और इस बात पे रुचि के शो पे कई सारे चीज़ें यहाँ पे मिलती भी हैं और ये हमेशा वो समय चुनती हैं जो त्योहारों का होता है. इट इज़ द ऑनसेट ऑफ अ सेलिब्रेशन. यू नो वी आर इन दैट मूड नाउ. द सीजन्स आर चेंजिंग. वी आर कमिंग फ्रॉम समर इनटू एन ऑटम. There's lots of festivities around the corner. Karwa Chauth is coming up. Rakhi's just gone by. It's generally a good time of the year. You've always chosen that time of the year to do your shows, which makes sense because you're in the mood to shop. You know. Also, collections and new collections coming in that break from summer into autumn. So it's a nice time when the change of collection happens. I also want to really congratulate Ankita. Please come. I want to congratulate you for choosing Shweta as your gifting partner this time. She is extremely talented and I am possible. I love her brand because ये बहुत ही प्यार से अपनी I mean, she puts her heart into her packaging beautifully. And when I was seeing all your beautiful gifting, I rang up Shweta and said, congratulations, I'm so happy because she's actually very, very talented. And you know what? Isha's here and she's always been so much part of the family of Noor and of Ruchi and all of us. My dear, dear, dear friend and I would say she's like my daughter. Ankita's here and who is like the two of us work together. We stay together. We are just, we are all, sort of collectively we are all one group. We women have always supported each other. it's a great hub because there are so many. There's Preeti who I was waiting for her. Actually ये बाइक चलाती हैं. पिछली बार अमर महल से हमने उनका फ्लैग ऑफ किया था. So there are achievers here. I wanted to just say I'm very proud to have Preeti here with us and our lovely little influencer, the youngest in the field, Meher. ये छोटी सी लड़की के पास बहुत सारे महिरा. She has a lot of followers and इसने काफ़ी impact किया है लोगों को. Raman, thank you for being so wonderfully encouraging to all for where women empowerment is concerned. You're forever supporting women in their endeavors and I really have to thank you. Tanu, congratulations to you as well. And Ruchi, I hope you're getting something to eat from your wonderful eatery. No, because it's lovely, your husband and you. I saw his, I was seeing his reel yesterday and I was having a good laugh. But many congratulations. And जम्मू के लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है कि एक ही छत के नीचे इतनी ज़्यादा वैरायटी मिल रही है और वेल प्राइस्ड भी है. और हमारे जम्मू के भी यहाँ पे कारीगरी दिखाई दे रहा है एंड एंटरप्रेन्योर्स फ्रॉम जम्मू आर हियर एंड फ्रॉम पैन इंडिया. तो मैं तो अभी मेरी शुरुआत है. अब तो शॉपिंग भी करनी है. मैं स्लो जा रही हूँ कि अभी जो दिल्ली से आई लेकिन आई एम रियली ऑल सेट to have a lovely afternoon of shopping and extravaganza. I would urge every Jammuite to come here in large numbers, come participate, shop till you drop and have fun. Yeah.
Hi ma'am, I want to add something. I really want to add something. रितु जी के आने से नूर में नूर आ गया है.
अरे वाह!
I wish that Noor is going to be a big success.
Yes.
As always.
As
Keep
always.
rocking, girls. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray! Lovely. She brings so much life into her every